Hello, hello, my creative stampers. How are you? I finally have your January card kit by mail ready. So we're going to use Otterly Amazing this month. These stamps, the stamps, Otterly Amazing stamp set is so cute. For Valentine's, but more just for any kind of affection, heartfelt cards. So they're good for all year round, not just Valentine's. So, we're going to be available today, which is the 16th, and then I'll give you 10 days. So by the 26th, that's the last day to get your hands on this kit, and then I will ship it out the 1st of February. All right. I'm going to show you what's in the kit, and I'm going to show you the cards. The way you sign up to get a hold of this kit is through the email. So if you're not subscribed to my email yet, you need to go over to my blog, creatingwithchristina.com, and sign up for the email for the newsletter. That way be sure you stay in the know. And if you think you've signed up for my email, but you haven't been getting emails lately, let me know and we'll double check, and I can make sure that you're getting the emails. Okay. All right. So let's go on and switch camera views here. All right, this is the paper. It is really beautiful paper. This one sheet here you could frame this. This is just so cute. But these little otters, you can cut them out or just use the paper background. In the cards that I'm made, I cut the otters out. So we have that, but the back side, here's the back side. Whee! This cute little fish, this water, this gray, these little fish, this colored stepping stones. But there's also this sheet, which this is all I have left of this paper. You'll get half a pack in the kit. So you'll get 2 6x12 sheets of each sheet. Okay, so you get half a pack of the paper in the kit. The other thing you get in the kit is the twine, this beautiful soft cord. We'll use that. And then these really cute river pearls. So they come in white and gray and Lost Lagoon river pearls. So you get all of that. And then you get everything in the card kit. Like, for instance, this shape that's cut out, you'll get that shape cut out in your card kit. All right. Now the little otter here, you'll have to cut that out yourself. And the paper back here, I'll give you the dimensions for you to cut your designer paper. But as far as the cardstock goes, all that comes in the kit. And there's enough for 2 cards each. So 8 cards and their envelopes. So this is one. Here is another really cute one. Here is another one. I love this one where you build the scene. Yeah. So you'll get all the cardstock, but you'll have to cut the pieces out with the dies from the set. All right. And then this last piece. Now, the dies and the stamp set are not included, but you can add them on if you don't have this set. So there's an option 1 that is just the kit. You get the paper, the cord, and the bling, the pearls. You get that in the paper, and then the kits. But option 2, you also get the stamp set and the dies. That's an add-on. Okay, so I think and then there's a third option. You could just get the tutorial emailed to you. So just the PDF and the video link. So you could do it that way also. All right, I don't think there's anything else. One more time, let me show you the cards. Like I said, it's in your email. So check your email for the sign up to get your hands on this kit. All right. And if you need any other questions, you can email me, Christina@creatingwithchristina.com. Whoops, that one. There we go. And it looks like I've got Patty in the house. Hello, Miss Patty. How are you? From Rushford, New York. Love it. I know I don't usually come live on Thursday nights, so most people will be watching on the replay, but that's okay. All right. Like I said, watch your email for how to get your hands on this kit. Good night. Hey, Kay. I just saw you pop on there.